Swoop Aero and partners to launch drone network in Kenya. By DroneLife staff writer Ian M. Crosby. Today, Swoop Aero announced a partnership with Astral Aviation subsidiary Astral Aerial Solutions and Skyports for the launch of a drone logistics network in Kenya. The partnership will see Swoop Aero make full use of its complete technology infrastructure and drone logistics experience to enable the transport of medicines, vaccines, and medical samples to patients in healthcare facilities throughout Kenya, with last-mile delivery set to launch by the end of 2022. This will be the first beyond visual line of sight (BVLOS) drone operation in Kenya, and will be carried out in close coordination with the Kenyan Civil Aviation Authority to ensure safety and compliance with local regulations. We're excited to be expanding Swoop Aero's service in Kenya in partnership with Astral Aerial Solutions and Skyports, in what will be a first for the region, said Swoop Aero CEO Eric Peck. Kenya represents the 14th country in which the Swoop Aero technology platform has underpinned BVLOS drone logistics regulatory approvals. The regulatory approvals and operations will bring Swoop Aero closer to providing an integrated drone logistics service to 100 million people by 2025. We're excited to be coming together with Skyports and Swoop Aero to offer last-mile delivery solutions in Kenya, said Astral Aerial Solutions CEO Kush Gadia. This partnership presents a unique opportunity to reduce delivery times and increase accessibility to healthcare and other industries that may support drone logistics into the future. This week, Astral Aerial Solutions, Swoop Aero, and Skyports flew Kenya's first beyond line of sight (BVLOS) drone deliveries, said Alex Brown, Director of Drone Services at Skyports, which previously partnered with Swoop Aero for the delivery of COVID-19 vaccines in the UK. These first flights represent the key first step of our plan to bring drone deliveries to Kenyan communities, improving connectivity, logistics, and healthcare. The introduction of drone-based services has the potential to significantly improve the Kenyan healthcare system by providing greater access to healthcare across the nation. Though currently focused on the healthcare sector, Swoop Aero intends to develop further applications for drone logistics in Kenya later this year. The introduction of the Kite aircraft to Swoop Aero's technology platform allows for real-time tracking, capture, and analytics, as well as cross-industry functionalities such as aerial mapping and monitoring, search and rescue capabilities, and emergency response and disaster management. Read more commercial drone news at DroneLife.com.